that came to haunt
I said,
you said that. You said any idiot can go to court.
Any idiot can go to court. Those who don't understand it may have a problem with logic.
Okay, explain to us.
When they say that you have been taken to court, and so, and even before the matter is heard, you are declared to be guilty. That is the response you have to give. Going to court does not make you guilty. Somebody taking you to court doesn't make you guilty.
Of course.
So I said that any idiot can take you to court.
Okay.
But it is the judges who will decide whether the case is sensible or not. You understand? And that is the process we have in Ghana. Our laws indicate that any idiot can go to court.
Okay, so in this instance...
But there are people who are saying that when you say any idiot, the meaning is that those who go to court are idiots. They have problem with logic. Or English. You see? Because then if you want to understand, I don't want the logic lessons to detract us from this argument. When you say that any idiot can go to court, it doesn't mean that all those who go to court are idiots.
Are idiots, okay.
You understand?
Okay.
But there are people, for whatever reasons, are interpreting that statement to mean that all the people who go to court are idiots. They have problem with logic. You understand?
Okay.
So, because, fact be told, have you ever seen anybody trying to file a process in court and they say, because you are not wise, we will not accept your process?
No.
No. Have you ever seen anybody who wants to file a process and the court clerks will tell you that we believe that there is no merit in your case, so we won't file it? No.
Okay.
And in fact, those cases that are dismissed and the petitioners filed, it tells you that the judges believe that you brought a case without merit. You understand? Like this Wenchi High Court case. They told them, you yourself went and...
But the NDC has merit in its case. That's why the question keeps recurring that why won't you go to court?
Look, why do you think that people will be asking you that choose this method and don't choose this method? If I have to go to London...
Because they feel that being on the streets cannot change anything. That's the concern.
That is their
what they feel.
But we have our case.
What does the NDC know that we do not know? Because we haven't seen any protest asking the EC to undo what they did.
I was part of the process that collapsed Achampon's government. And Nana Akufo-Addo was leading us.
So you intend to adopt the same style?
Why was Nana Akufo-Addo doing that in those days?
What did you do?
If he knew...
What did you do back then?
We demonstrated continuously.
For how long?
Until the government collapsed, because we thought the government was not correct and it was not doing the right things. So if after whatever, if this government insists that they are still holding on to these flawed election results and declaring themselves presidents of this nation, the protests will continue till the right thing is done, because we will not allow legitimate presidents to be running.
At least the little history I know is that a Achampon's government was overthrown by a coup, or is that not the case?
Yes.
Is that what you're calling for?
No, listen. There was indication outside that things are wrong. So those who could correct the things came in to correct it. It wasn't a coup. It was a palace coup, like a president, what do you call it? Cabinet, which came together and said that, look, what you are doing is against the wishes of the people. So sign your resignation and announce that you have resigned. And Achampon resigned. That was it.
But the situation is not the same right now.
It is the same. If Nanado continues to be declaring
He didn't declare himself as president, did he?
Then let us look at the figures.
But he did not declare himself as president.
Saying that
if you have an issue, you take it up with the EC.
He appointed the electoral commission.
You appointed, shall I say. You appointed, shall I say.